beneath the hills and olive trees. An old song whispers through the breeze, like waves returning to the bay. Our father's steps still find their way. I see the roads that twist and bend across the sea that has no end. And in your children's eyes I find the homeland they've left far behind. And while your hands are building foreign lands, your roots are calling softly, come home again. Come back home, my child, my own. Your mother's earth still waits alone. Sacred stone and golden plain, green hills singing after rain. Come back home, your heart will know. Your blood still feels that rivers flow. There are many worlds to roam, but only one is home. In Zagoria, the sun will climb through vineyards sweet with ancient wine, and Slavonia's bread will rise in holy fields where silence lies. Old Istria keeps its songs alive, and Adriatic pearls still shine and dive, while Dubrovnik stands proud and tall, a dream of stone that guards us all. And time will build, new voices grow, but who will keep our father's word if you don't bring it home? Come back home, my child, my son. Your soul and body are as one. With your people laughter starts. The son of wheat warms faithful hearts. Come back home, your heart will know, where clover blooms the same below. There are many worlds to roam, but only one is home. Dreams have carried them afar. Their ships have chased a northern star. But in your name the sea still sighs, and Croatian bells still chime inside. Come back home, my dearest child, to hands that heal, to hearts that smile, so our children learn the word that makes us human in this world. Come back home, your heart